You've never had an ice cola before.
Morning again, bit of a special one today. A little visit from Nicky. Mad as Fabia. This thing is nuts. But yeah, he's coming up today because he's fitted the old turbo off my car on now. So should we make a little bit more power? He's got a Fabia VRS Silver. I'm not going to give too much away for now, but it is running PD150 turbo, Seat Sport front mount intercooler, Seat Sport style front mount intercooler, hard pipe kit, EGR delete, Creation Motorsport intake manifold, Pro-Am air filter, everything heat wrapped. Mad brake setup on, I can't remember exactly what it is. I think it's Brembo Max carbon discs and Carbotech XP8 pads, I think. And honestly, for a diesel, that thing stops on a dime. Oh, he let me have a go of it. Probably last year when he first got the brakes and everything on. I couldn't believe how well that thing stopped. Just awesome little track car. He's been to the Nürburgring in it and stuff. Got rear brace, bucket seats, snap off steering wheel. The one thing that sets this car away from most others is the mad aero it's got on it. So he's got this huge front splitter, huge canards on the front as well, massive rear wing with a little air scoop on the factory spoiler that directs air over the actual wing. Side skirts, obviously he's got on there this huge diffuser with little canards on the back as well. Full straight through exhaust. But yeah, he's put the PD150 turbo on, so we're gonna be going for we're just gonna put a new map on it and take it for a spin. Yeah, I mean we'll have a bit of a walk around of the car and you can just see how utterly nuts this thing is. You can't get within 3 feet of the front of the car without fear of your ankles getting slit open. Absolutely, without a doubt, my favourite Fabia. Believe it or not, this is his daily. He uses this car for work. Taking it out because it seems to be spike and boost a little bit. So we're gonna see if we can figure out what's going on. But this thing drives amazing. It's like a proper little race car. Bucket seats, got snap-off keys, racing steering wheel, gauges everywhere, all the aero you could ever want. Camera mount's not the best. Apologies. I'm too short as well. I can't reach the pedals properly. I've never had so much fun doing like 20 miles an hour in my entire life. 3,000 RPM. Is nuts. Definitely. I'm gonna go 4th gear, 3,000 RPM, and then land it. Yeah. I mean, that's sitting way past that's done the clock on the boost gauge. What beast that thing is. Oh. That car stops so good. It stops, it handles, it's awesome. I don't know how much of that footage was actually any use. Yeah, we had a little bit of a problem there. Just put a map on for it with to compensate for the new turbo. It seemed like it was making too much boost, so it was peaking at, well, gauge was reading 38 psi, which is like dangerous for that turbo. But what we found is he's just fitted a Creation Motorsport inlet manifold, and it seems like the takeoff for the boost gauge pipe is too close to cylinder 4, so it's not giving a true reading. It's giving more of a manifold pressure kind of reading, or just on that cylinder. So what he's decided he's going to do is go further back upstream, unlike the hard pipe going past the cam cover, probably. So that should give it a more accurate reading and hopefully be a bit safer. But I mean, the car drives phenomenal. Just having that bucket seat so low down, the steering wheel right up where you need it. The only trouble, I was a little bit too short, so the seat could have been done for me, could have done with being like an extra sort of couple of inches further forward. But oh, what a sick little car that is. And as you've seen, mad aero. The aero blows me away every time I see it. I absolutely love it. Just like gold heat tape everywhere. I mean, he knows his stuff from his Lexus that he's got, and he knows exactly what he's doing, and like, you know, everything's been done himself. 3-inch downpipe on it as well, which is totally welded up on his own, and it's just so good. It's so good, and it's so quick, and it's so small, and it's like a little go-kart for a big heavy diesel. It's just a little go-kart. It's awesome. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed seeing Nicky's crazy little Fabia, and hopefully there shall be more to come. And we'll probably see it again in the future, and hopefully his Lexus, if he lets me ride passenger in that, because I wouldn't want him to trust me to drive that one. So yeah, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you fancy. Reply to all of them. But yeah, it helps the channel out more and more. So yeah, see you in the next video.